It works, it works, it works, it works. Oh, I've only finally built the perfect mouth trap. Well, yes, in this case it is a lump trap, but you see, that pad that you're standing on, it generates a field of unknowable. It's a curiosity generator, and it taps into your brain waves, and therefore, even though you know it's obviously a trap, you can't help yourself. You have to investigate what's inside. Ha 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 ha! It's the perfect bait! It's the perfect trap! There's no way out! Ha 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 ha! Oh, be careful with that milk crate. It's for science.